आता खबरो विस्तारान. मुखेलमंत्र्यान यूडी मंत्री फ्रांसीस डिसूजाच्या हजेरेंत बिरेस्तारा शारी स्थानीक संस्था खातीर सामान्य सेवा डिलिव्हरी पोर्टलाचें उक्तावण केलें. हातूंत जल्माचो दाखलो, मरणाच्या दाखल्या बरोबर आनीक 14 सेवांची ऑनलायन उपलब्धी आसा. आरडीएक्स गोवा खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर केन्झिल रॉड्रिगीज आनी जोझफ फेर्नांडीस.
So the different features of this software is we have got an option for payment of taxes, wherein we can pay the house tax, we can pay the lease rent, and trade and sign good fees. You have to select the particular municipal council, and then key in the other details, that is the house number, who is making the payment, the email ID, and the mobile number, and the captcha code. And when you click on search, we get the details of the outstanding amount. Then we have an option to choose by from Kotak Mahindra or HDFC Bank. The payment
pay part payment?
No, not part payment.
If you have dispute?
No, sir.
If there is a dispute on the amount shown?
If there is a dispute on the amount shown, then that has to be taken up at the municipality. We have got a
First
grievance.
resolve the dispute and then come
Yes.
back.
So either they can go through the grievance, register a complaint, and in this we have got various categories.
How much helpful it becomes when you talk about
Because public grievance, for example.
basically, yeah,
Public grievance, I think more than around 380. Because I get a tracker, I got a tracker. This. More than 350 have been resolved. I can give you exact figure also. But I see it on daily basis. 34 critical, that means missed the timeline by 15 days. So those, when we analyzed yesterday, we realized that mostly are DMA, through DMA to the municipality. So that round route is taking more time than the normal. This will help. You can directly link the complaint to the municipality. You have grievance.
Yes, it is there. It is there.
So the municipality grievance can be loaded here directly.
मेंटेन पण करतात ते
हाँ?
गोवा इलेक्ट्रॉनिक
कितें?
maintain NIC पंचायतीक असले एक फॅसिलिटी दिल्ली न्ही या ती कनेक्टिविटी
कनेक्शन हा प्रत्येक
Certain
पंचायत.
पंचायत.
ते स्विच करून दवरतात. रातचे स्विच ऑफ करतात. ते करूंक जायना एक्चुअली. एव्हरीवन हॅज अ नेट कनेक्टिव्हिटी.